Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make strawberries banana smoothie today. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add strawberry and banana slices into your blender. A blend of strawberries and bananas is totally filling and nutritious. Now add about a half cup of milk and blend it well. The milk can either be in room temperature or cold. Make sure that strawberry and banana slices have blended smoothly and add the remaining milk. Blend it again and your strawberries banana smoothie is ready. Add some honey to make it sweet and extra delicious. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.